Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mazahid Khan, and in today's video we are gonna cover the 3 tricks of saving as much money as we can during our teenage and in early 20s. Now, make no mistake, I'm not a financial expert, but I'm learning things on a daily basis and I'm sharing it with you guys so that we can learn things together. So recently I watched this video by Stephen Graham, the 6 millionaire habits, and within those 6 habits I was able to relate with 3 big habits that I have and I have been using it for a while and I could generate some results from it as well. So that's what I'm gonna share it with you guys today. So make sure you watch till the end to cover all the 3 hacks of saving more money as a teenager and in your early 20s. And if you like this video, then make sure
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
You heard him, you have got to do that. And also make sure that you share it with your teenage friends and brothers or sisters who need to see this, because the only thing that I'm regretting right now is not starting at an early age. As soon as you start understanding the value of money and get the financial literacy, only then you can succeed at a very early age. Okay, if you want to retire soon, then you need to start soon, right?
Here in my yacht, just bought this 60-foot luxury yacht. But you know what I love more than yachts? Knowledge. I love knowledge more than yachts.
So having said that, let's dive right into the video and let's get started. So the first hack is applying the 10 days interest rule. According to this rule, if you want to purchase something, then all you need to do is just wait for another 10 days to make sure that you still need it. Trust me, 80% of the time, you won't be wanting it after 10 days. But after 10 days, if you still want it, then you can just make sure that it's really something that you need and then go ahead and purchase it. Otherwise, you can just look for another alternative and shift. Here's a quick story where I applied the same principle and I saved a lot of money. If you guys do not know, I'm very passionate about playing badminton, and I play badminton on a daily basis for the past couple of months in the winter season alone. But I'm very passionate about playing badminton, and recently the passion for playing badminton has really increased, and I'm always the first person to turn up in playing badminton where we play, right? So here's the thing, in this year I wanted to purchase a new racket for playing badminton because I wanted to play more professionally, and I just wanted to make sure that whatever racket I'm using, it's really professional and I'm able to make more amazing shots. But the new racket cost around 1899 rupees. But a couple of years ago, my grandfather already gifted me a racket. I still have that racket with me. It's really in good condition, but the cutting was broken. So I waited another week to make sure that I still wanted to purchase a new racket. But here's what happened. After 1 week, I gave it another thought that what was the other alternative that would save me the money that I wanted to spend for the new racket. Here's what I did instead. I just took the old racket and I went to change the cutting, and all it cost me was 160 rupees. And in this way, I was able to save 1739 rupees right away. So the next time you want to purchase anything, wait for 10 days and see after 10 days if you really want to purchase it or not. And let's see what happens. The second hack of saving more money is by making your money invisible. Now, what do I mean by making your money invisible? Let's take an example for it. If you are getting a pocket money of 2000 rupees every single month, and since you have got the privilege of not putting food on the table or getting the essentials for your house, what you can simply do is you can cut off 50% and put it inside of any other bank accounts that you do not use inside of your PhonePe or Google Pay, right? Put it in any other savings account or invest it in any stocks. Simply download Grow app and start putting SIPs on a monthly basis. But whatever money you are saving, just as in this example, if you're saving 1000 every single month, download Grow app and start investing 1000 rupees on a monthly basis, which is in SIP form, in any stock that you can understand. Okay, even if people say that this is the stock you need to put your money in, just make sure that whatever stocks you're putting your money inside, you understand the working of the whole company and you trust the company. Only then go ahead and invest inside of those stocks. If your money is out of your sight, you won't be able to use it, or you won't be able to even see that I have this much money. And trust me, small drops of water combine together to become an ocean, right? Just imagine if you're continuously saving 1000 rupees on a monthly basis for the next 5 to 10 years, how much would you be saving, right? It's a lot of money, right? If you're thinking short term, then it won't mean a lot. But if you're thinking in long term basis, always think at least 10 years from now if you are putting it inside of the investments. Do not even look inside of it. Don't see how much the stocks are going down or up. Just leave it for the next 10 years.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be
However, I'm not a stocks expert, so I won't be giving a lot of lecture inside of stocks, but that's my point. I hope you get my point. The third hack of saving more money is by simply tracking your expenses. Each and every expense you have on a daily basis, go ahead and track it. Even if you're going to purchase an eraser for 5 rupees, then just go ahead and track it inside of your app. So a couple of weeks ago, I downloaded this app, Wallet. Okay, inside of this app you can just track your expenses and categorize them. And here's the interesting part of this application: at the end of the day, after you have tracked all your expenses, it will be allowing you to play a game. Was it worth it? What happens inside of this game is it asks you a question of each and every expense that you just had. Was it really worth it? Right? You need to answer yes or no. At the time of your spending the money, you won't feel like okay, I have the money, I can spend it right now, but I really want to eat this burger. But at the end of the day, when you go back home and you play this game, you will be like it wasn't necessary. I was anyways going to eat the dinner, right? So it wasn't really necessary, but you still spend the money. So this is the beauty of using this app. So just go ahead and download this app and start tracking each and every expense of yours. And at the end of the month, you can just look for all the expenses that you just tracked and eliminate all the other expenses that you do not need to have and you just had for fun or you really wanted it. But always try to remove all the wants and try to focus on what you really need. You'll be shocked to know that these small expenses of 20 rupees or 30 rupees on a daily basis sums up to a very large amount at the end of the month or at the end of the year. So even if it's about 20 rupees or 30 rupees you're spending on a daily basis, make sure you track them and just see at the end of the month how much they are turning up to be. Okay, so you will be realizing that how much you're spending and how much you could have saved. Even if you are doing an SIP of 500 rupees every single month in your application for stocks, then it will also sum up to be a very big amount at the end of 5 years. So every small amount counts. So that will be all for today, and I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, then make sure you like this video and put your views in the comment section, and also share it with your friends and your siblings so that they can understand it at a very young age. Because the earlier you start, you will be able to understand the importance of saving more money, and you'll be able to save more money and invest it so that you can make more money in the future, and at the same time you can enjoy your wants in the later part of your life. Also make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the post notifications on so that every time I put down videos, you will be the first one to know. I put videos on finances as well as sales funnel, which is like my niche, and I put on videos every 3 days. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep creating for a change.